Like many FPV pilots out there, you end up collecting quite a few drones. One of the reasons for me, and I presume for a lot of people, is because when you crash them, you have to fix them. And if you want to keep flying, you're going to have more than one drone. Well, unfortunately, in the past few months, I haven't been flying because all my drones have been broken and I've crashed them all. I finally gathered the motivation to fix one of them, and in this video I'm going to show you a time lapse of soldering together my 5-inch drone back together that I use primarily for cinematic purposes with a GoPro mounted to it. So sit back and relax and enjoy the time lapse of what it's like to have to rebuild your drone after you've crashed it.